welcome back to my channel. So let's start today's topic. Sorry for the disturbance. Let's see our next question. Write regular expression for the language accepting the strings which are starting with 1 and ending with 0 over the set sigma equal to 0 comma 1. So the alphabet set he has given 0 comma 1 and he is saying that it should start with 1 and it should end with 0. Okay, so when they say it should start with some particular pattern or some particular string, so we should write that one as it is. Okay, so 1 0, and we need to look what should be there between them. He didn't mention anything, but you can use your input alphabet 0 comma 1. Only condition is on starting and ending, so we doesn't have any condition in between them. So we can have either nothing or all the strings with the 0 comma 1. So that's why we represented as 0 plus 1 whole star. Okay, so that's our regular expression, which is starting with 1 and ending with 0. And in between we can have either any number of zeros and ones. Okay, let's see next question. If L equal to the language starting and ending with A and having any combination of B's in between, then what between them what is R? So how the regular expression look like? So here when they have given any specific condition, we need to fulfill that one. So it should start and end with A means you need to put starting and ending as A. Then in between you can have any combination of B's. Okay, so either a null string you can have or 1B, 2B, 3B, so on. So that's why I wrote it as here B star. So then now the expression is A, B star, A. Okay, let's see next question. Describe in simple English the language represented by the following regular expression. So now we need to represent what is the language, means what are the strings are there in this regular expression. A plus, AB whole star. So either A, or we need to consider this string, or you can consider both together, either in this direction or this direction. Okay, so what are the possible strings that this language contains? L equal to epsilon. Of course it is a 0 or more times, right? So epsilon, A, AB. So if you combine these two, it would be like AAB. If you go by this way, ABA. Okay, so anyway we don't have any combination with the B. Okay, means we have a standalone B. Okay, it's not mingling with the other B. Okay, so that's the language here. And let's see the next question. Write regular expression to denote the language L over sigma star, where sigma equal to A, B, C, in which every string will be such that any number of A's followed by any number of B's followed by any number of C's. Okay, so I think this is the right expression for that, right? Here also any number of A's is followed by any number of B's is followed by any number of C's. Okay, it's a direct question, but it's saying any number means even we should consider null string. So that's why we used star over here. Okay. Okay, let's do the next question. Write a regular expression to denote a language L over sigma star, where sigma equal to ABC, such that every string will have at least one A followed by B, at least one B followed by at least one C. Okay, so here the condition is we should have at least one A, one B, one C. Okay, how we can write for the at least? Here if you observe carefully, here it is any number of A's, any number of B's, then we use star. So here the criteria is it should have at least, if you have taken like star, then it will accept null, but null shouldn't be accepted by this, right? Because at least one A, one B, one C should be there. So the regular expression is A plus B plus C plus. Okay. Let's see next question. Write a regular expression to denote a language L which accepts all the strings which begin or end with either 00 or 11. Okay, so here it's a very complicated question. Means you have different tasks in one statement. Okay, so the first task is it should begin with 00 or 11. So let's write one language which shows this one. So it should begin with either 00 or 11. So after that you can get any number of zeros and ones because the alphabet set is 0, 1. Okay, so for that I am representing 00 plus 11, 0 plus 1 whole star. That is language L1. Next, let's do what it is there in L2. L2 is equal to same, but it should end with 00 or 11. So it should end with 00 or 11. And what could be the before value? Either it can be any value, either 0 or 1, or it's a combination of 0, 1. So now, but we want these two together because which begins or end with either 00 or 11. So we need to add these two. So 00 plus 11, 0 plus 1 star, and then plus 0 plus 1 star, 00 plus 1. Okay, so means after this one you can get any number of zeros and ones. Before this you can get any number of zeros and ones, but at the end you should have either 00 or 11 or 1100. Okay, that's it. So let's see the next question. Write a regular expression to denote a language L over sigma star where sigma equal to a comma b such that third character from the right end of the string is always a. So we have some characters, we don't know how many characters, but he is saying third character from the right end of the string is always 1. So how we can show the third positions? Okay, so here how to write. This is fixed, he has given a, right? Yeah, a. But when you comes to here what he said, third, he didn't say nothing about this one. So but he has given input alphabet set which is equal to a comma b, means either it can be a or b, either it can be a or b. It must be a or b or a or b, because we should have at least two characters. If you put positive or star, it is wrong, because if you take star, then it is epsilon is possibility is there. Okay, so if you consider plus means we can't get the position, so that's why we just simply write either you need to select here a or b, here also a or b. So this is first position, second position, and third position he is so specific about that. Okay, so a. Next, after this you can have any number of a's and b's, it doesn't matter. Okay, a plus b whole star. So that's the regular expression for this question. Okay, so if you carefully observe, then you will understand. So third position is fixed, he has given a. Okay, so first second position, either you can have positive or negative. So a or b, a or b. So that's it for today's class. I hope you got all the questions. So if you have any doubts, please do let me know in the comment box. So I am very happy to help out. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.